Hello. Today, what we're going to go through is how to properly test a new event that you create in Google Tag Manager and make sure that it actually is reporting in GA4 correctly and it's firing as it should be. So I'm in Google Tag Manager here. I would also recommend opening up Google Analytics to your GA4 property. What I'm going to try to do today is create a phone clicks event here, a GA4 event that basically captures anytime somebody clicks on a phone number. So I'm going to open up our gear.io website and scroll down here. Where's a phone? Okay, here we go. So there's a phone number. Now, if I hover over that, if you look in the bottom left corner, you should be able to see the TEL semicolon followed by a phone number. If I click this here, this opens up. I'm going to jump back to my tag assistant. And if I look at the most recent click here, it's a link click. TEL semicolon, and then the phone number. So I want to make sure that this captures any phone number on the website, not just this one in particular. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an event here. Take a little shortcut here. I'm going to copy this event. I'm going to change it over to phone clicks. Do that as well. I want to capture the URL as well as the link text too. That text is going to be the phone number eventually, and you may want to report on that in some capacity, but just to see which number is actually getting dialed the most. Now I'm going to have to create a new trigger. So going back to Tag Assistant, we know it's a link click. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to create a new trigger. I'm going to go to Just Links. Now, like I said before, I want to make sure I capture every phone number on this site. So rather than create a trigger for each phone number, what I'll do is I'm going to change this section right here to some link clicks. I'm going to go to click URL contains TEL semicolon. I'm going to hit save. All right. Now I'm going to hit save again here. I'm going to exit out of my previous preview session here. Sometimes you have to refresh Google Tag Manager if it doesn't work right away. Sometimes I just do it out of default anymore. Now let me go over here, click preview one more time. Go back to gear. I'm going to scroll down a bit here. Okay, we're back down in the footer of our website here. Here's our phone number. I'm going to click on this. Same open phone modal appears here. I'm going to jump back to Tag Assistant, go to link click, and there we go. Now we can see that this phone clicks event has fired. I want to check right here, firing status succeeded. You'll see that our trigger, of the logic connected with what we were trying to accomplish there. Also, if I click on this event here, you'll be able to see the link URL as well as the phone number too. The last thing though, and this is really important, you want to go over to GA4, go over to admin, scroll down to data streams, data display, and then debug view. Now you should see your device here. There we go. Phone clicks. Now, spoiler alert, I already had this event created. That's why it's already marked as a key event here, which is what the green flag signifies. But you should see your event here even before it's published in Google Tag Manager. You can go in here and then, confirm the phone number and everything like that. So that's it. That's the process of basically creating a new event in Google Tag Manager, testing it, and verifying that it's actually going to report in GA4. Have a good day.